Hi there, everybody. Oh boy, it's terrible out. Sorry, you could see the reflection of the camera. Yeah, I just went out with my doggies, took them out in the rain, and they just stood there, and I'm like, hello, hurry up, you know. Today's Friday. Today's my shopping day, and guess what? I'm not going anywhere today. Maybe later if it the rain stops. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you. And it sounds like it's thundering. Weird. Let's hope not. My power has flickered a couple times, and I'm praying that it doesn't lose power, because I won't be impressed. I have my pellet stove on, keeping the place warm. And yeah, power goes out, and that means my blower goes out on the pellet stove, and that means there's no way to blow the smoke out, so it fills the house full of smoke. Now, whoever made these, you would think they would have done something different. Whoever invented these pellet stoves, the power goes out, hello, something needs to be kicked on. Well, I take that back. You can buy a battery, I guess, for it, but it's like really expensive. I wish you could see the rain a little bit better. Here, hang on, I'm gonna take you out front. Hi. Okay, this is out my front yard, and as you can tell, the rain is coming down. In fact, it's refilling that pond thing down there by my husband's garage. Gonna be garage location. Yeah, that's right. Oh, anyways, if this is any indication of what winter's gonna be like, it's not gonna be interesting. It's not gonna be fun. It's coming in like a lion, people. Yeah, it's coming down quite bad. You gotta love it. Today's what, October? Oh crap, what is it? October 14th, I think? 14th or 15th, whatever. Maybe it's the 15th. But anyways, yeah, that's what's happening here, people. Rain, rain, wind, more rain. Look at this huge pine. We keep having gusts of wind, and that thing just going back and forth, back and forth. That's some of our siding that come off our trailer that my husband's redoing when he has time. He's not too impressed with his job right now, because about the time he has a day off and he plans something to do, they call him in. So yeah, it's getting later in the season, and we don't even have our trailer banked yet, as of yet. So he's worried about that. There's a bunch of other stuff inside the house that needs to be done. Oh, moving is, when we move this trailer over here, it's quite a lot to be done. Yeah. And not enough time to do it in. I would do it, but how in the hell? I can't bank this trailer. Get real. That's a man's job. There's plenty of other stuff around here that he has to finish. Oh, be quiet, cat. So anyways, yeah. Where he's working, look at the trees. Where he's working, he said it's flooding, and the actual water is coming in the store, which is not good. Auntie M! Don't lose the power. Please don't lose the power. Don't lose it. Oh boy. Okay. Well, just wanted to touch base with you guys. I tried to upload a Columbus Day video, but it wouldn't let me, so if this one uploads and the other one doesn't, I don't know why. Okay guys, talk to you guys later. Wish me luck! On TM!